So got your plexiglass in. Now you fill a bowl full of water. This is a great way to know if your machine is level too. The advantage there is these bits here, it's almost impossible to get them to carve out acrylic plexiglass without getting a knob on it here, a glob of melted plastic. If you do it in the water, in the bowl, no problems. Even a complete amateur never has a problem. As opposed to the other way, if you try to do that dry, you have to be the absolute expert, and even then you're going to have mess ups. So it's a foolproof way of doing things, as far as I'm concerned. So, your choice. You don't have to 3D print the box. You can make your own. Just make it the size of your plexiglass. And if you're going to do a lot of night lights that size, well, there you go. Problem solved. I use super thin measuring tape left over. When I can no longer pass it underneath, then it's considered right on. As you can see, you can start to see the dust that's being chipped away, but there's no gob of melted plastic on the tip of that router bit. And the router bit I use is a very simple V-tip, though I blunt the nose a bit, just a little bit, because too sharp a V-tip is a problem. Just blunt the nose a little bit, take some off the top of the nose, make it more like a 30 degree as opposed to almost a really sharp tip. As you can see, the tip is still clean. There was no glob on the tip end. Just take these off of here. There we go.